and TikTok has been monetized. I got to buy the Dyson spray today. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Pransa Karki and I make fashion related videos. After a long time I'm here with another new video and I'm really very excited to share with you guys that I got Dyson. I wanted this product for so long and I can't imagine that I bought that with the money I earned from TikTok. Yeah, you heard me right. Recently in Japan, TikTok has been monetized and I have been able to collect some like fund, and with that fund I got to buy the Dyson. I still can't believe I got it like a month ago, but I'm still learning and I wanted to share with you guys all these news because I am really very happy, and also I'm learning how to use the product. So with the little knowledge I have about Dyson, I'm gonna share you some of the things. And yeah, without doing the delay, let's get started with the video. So this is the Dyson I have and it's kind of neutral aesthetic. I really love it. I don't want it to be like in the bright color because I really easily get bored of the colors. So yeah, I'll be using this today, and I don't have like great knowledge about Dyson. I'm still learning and I'm really noob, so I wanted to share this because not everyone is like perfect in styling their hair, and I'm also that person like who have never styled my hair in my life, even with other products, like even with normal curling iron or the straightener. So I really don't have that vast knowledge of styling here. Making this video so that everybody who are like kind of overwhelmed and are regretting buying Dyson could also relate. Like not everyone is perfect in their hairstyling, and it's not that you bought the Dyson and you can style your hair from today itself. You have to learn the process, and this process can be quite tricky, and I have been learning new things every day, and I have been like following the videos of styling and all. So this came with like 8 items included, and this one is the brush. This one is for thicker hair. My hair is really thin, so I don't really use it. And then it also has this brush. It is for the thinner hair. I use this. Also, I don't use this process often. And it has two barrels for ear wrap. I was doing the mistake since the very first day I was using this one, but I realized later that it's for longer hair, as my hair is still short, so I have started using this. And this one, it's the hair dryer and also hair smoother. They also have this brush, volume brush, cleaning brush, and it came with the box included. So yeah, these are all the products. Now let's get started with the styling. I just washed my hair and towel dried, so let's get started. At first I used this product. This one is like leave-in conditioner, and it will also help to protect my hair from heat. And I have these two hair styling products. Both of these are like heat resistant, and also these helps to keep the hairstyle for a longer time. So after using Dyson for a month, what I have learned is that as Dyson work with hot air technology, it uses hot air to style our hair. So our hair needs to be moist after like towel drying our hair up to 70%. If we style our hair, then it really like the style last for longer, and also you can style it properly. So yeah, my hair is like 70% dry. So after this I will be using this spray today. So another mistake I made was I was taking like really large portion of hair and trying to style it. So I realized that Dyson does not really work with the large section of hairs, and after that I started taking really small section, and it really worked. Now I'll be spraying this spray on this hair. Now I'll be keeping the temperature the highest and also the fan like very high flow. And look how beautiful the color is. You have to change the direction. Oh my god! Look how beautifully the curl is done. So this is how it looks like after finishing, and I think it really looks so beautiful. And this is my like third attempt, and I did like horribly in my first and second attempt. After that I researched a lot and found some important tips, and I have used those tips today, which I have already mentioned, like sectioning your hair in smaller parts, and also like keeping your hair moist is also very important for styling hair in Dyson. So yeah, this is the result, and after this I'm gonna brush my hair a little bit. I just wanted the volume, not the curl. So yeah, this is it. This is from the front. So yeah, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching my full video, and also please don't forget to keep the review